Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Digestive Enzymes syrup, easy method. Take 1 teaspoon before your largest meals, mix with a sip of water, and avoid taking with hot drinks. Monitor how you feel for a few days and adjust dose gradually if needed. If you experience discomfort, stop and consult a healthcare professional. Keep the bottle sealed tightly and follow label instructions for best results. Measure the dose carefully with the supplied dropper or spoon and aim to take it 5 to 10 minutes before meals to let enzymes activate. For larger meals, you may use a slightly higher dose within label limits, but never exceed the recommended daily amount. Mix with a small sip of cool water if the flavor is strong. Consistent timing helps predict effects and fine-tune your routine for smoother digestion. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: a useful money book I keep on my shelf can change how you think about budgeting for supplements, and it pairs oddly well with self-care routines. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can learn more at your leisure. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Use digestive enzymes primarily with meals containing proteins, fats, or complex carbohydrates to help break them down more efficiently. Avoid mixing the syrup into hot beverages since heat can reduce enzyme activity. Cool or room temperature fluids are best. Track symptoms like bloating, gas, or fullness for about 2 weeks to judge effectiveness and adjust dose. If pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication, consult your clinician before starting any enzyme supplement.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.